Hello everyone, you must have seen the previous videos based on rational numbers, and in this lecture we will discuss about data handling. In the data handling we will discuss mean, median and more. First, mean. What is mean? The most common value of representative of a group of data is called mean. To understand this in a better way, let's take an example. The marks obtained by students in a class test are 80, 66, 54, 78, 72, 65, 45 and 28. And we have find out the mean and range. First, what is the formula to find out the mean? Mean, sum of all the observation and divided by number of the observation. Now, first we sum all the observation. 80 plus 66 plus 54 plus 78, 72 plus 65 plus 45 and plus 28 divided by number of observation. How many observation are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means divided by 8. When we add these terms, we will get 488 divided by 8. Now here numbers of the observation is 8. Divided this, 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48, 8 ones are 8. 61 is the mean of the marks obtained by the students. Second, we have find out range. Now what is the formula to find range? Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. Now here, what is the highest observation? 80 is the highest observation. 80. And what is the lowest observation? Lowest observation is 28 minus 28. Now we can find out range. Now what will we get? Range is equal to 80 minus 28, 2 and 5. 52 is the range of the marks obtained by students. Second is median. What is the formula to find out the median? Here we have two formulas, when n is odd numbers and second when we have n is a even number. What is the n? N stands for number of terms. When we have number of terms are odd, then n plus 1 by 12th term is the median. And when we have n is even, then n by 12th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2 is the median. Let's take an example to understand this in a better way. First is median when we have n is odd. There is n 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 terms and 7 is an odd number. To find out the median, first we arrange the terms in an ascending order. You know what is the ascending order? From small terms to highest term. First is 12, ascending order, 12, then 13, 14, then 16, 19 and 25, 30. This is the ascending order of the given numbers. Now, what is the formula when n is odd? N plus 1 by 2th term. Here, what is the n? 7. 7 plus 1 by 2th term. That means 8 by 2. That means 4th term. 4th term is the median. What is the 4th term? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 16 is the 4th term That means 16 is the median in this. And when we have number of the term is even. Let's take another example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 terms and 8 is an even number. First, in the same way, arrange these numbers in ascending order. First, as same terms, 12, 13, 14, 16, 19, then 20, 25 and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the ascending order of the given numbers. Now what is the formula when we have n is an even number? That means n by 12th term. Here n is 8. 8 by 12th term. Plus n by 2, that means 8 by 2 plus 1th term. Here this is the formula. Put n is equal to 8 in these formulas. This is equal to 4 and divided by 2. And 4 plus 1, 5th term divided by 2. Now, what is the 4th and 5th term in this equation? This term, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th term and this is the 5th term. Write down 16 plus 19 divided by 2. Add 16 and 19. We will get 35 divided by 2. And when we divide 35 by 2, we will get 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14.5. This is the median when we have n is odd, even. Third example, how we can find out mode of the given terms. What is the formula to find out the mode? This is the formula, mode. The mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. That means जो टर्म आपकी सबसे ज्यादा बार आती है वो आपका किसी भी टर्म का मोड होता है. सी एग्जाम्पल. Find mode 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 5, 4, 2, 2 and 1. What is the mode? First, we arrange the numbers having same value together. 1, 1, here this is 1, 2, 2 and 2, 4, 4, 5, 5. Now, what is the mode in this question? Here we have two modes, 1 and 2, because 1 and 2 most frequently occurs other than. That means mode is 1 and 2. If we have one more 2 in this term, suppose we have another 2 in this term, then 2 here, we will get 2 4 times. Then we have 2 is the mode of this question, because आपका जो 2 है वो और टर्म से ज्यादा बार आ रहा है. लेकिन अगर आपके पास दो नंबर ऐसे हैं जो सेम नंबर्स में आ रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स वो आपका मोड हो सकते हैं. इसका मतलब क्या है कि मोड आपके एक से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. अब एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं मीन मीडियन मोड को बेहतर समझने के लिए. Weight of players participated in a school sports are as below. Find mean, range, median and mode. Weight of the players are 55, 48, 65, 40, 48, 50 and 44. First we find mean. What is the formula to find out the mean? Sum of all observation and number of the observation. Sum of all observation, that means 55 plus 48 plus 65 plus 40 plus 48 plus 50 plus 44 and divided by number of observation, that is 7. When we add these terms, we will get 350 and divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35, 0. We will get 50 as mean. Second is range. Mean, range. What is the formula to find out the range? Highest observation minus lowest observation. Now, 65 is the highest observation in this question and 40 is the lowest observation. 65 minus 40, we will get 25. 25 is the range. Third one is median. Now, first we check what is the n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is an odd number, that means we have n is odd. That means we use formula this, n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th term. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is n. 7 plus is equal to 8 by 2. That is fourth term. But find out this fourth term. First we arrange these numbers in the ascending order as we discussed in this video. First we arrange this in ascending order. Smallest term is 40, 44, 48 we have 2 times, and 50, 55, and in the last 65. This is the ascending order and fourth term is our median. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 48 is the median in this question. Last one is mode. Now what is the mode? The mode is the mode of a set of observation is the observation that occurs most often. First we arrange the numbers having the same value together. That means 55, 48 we have 2 times, 40, 65, 50 and 44. Here we have 48 2 times. That means 48 is the mode because 48 occurs frequently other than observation. It means mean is 55, range 25, median we have 48 and mode is 48. That means median and mode have same value, that is 48. To make the learning more easy, relate it with your daily life. Take example of your pocket money when you go to school. Assume you get Monday 60 rupees, Tuesday 50, Wednesday 30, Thursday 55, Friday 30 and Saturday 65. Find out the mean, median, mode and range and put your answer in comment box. Please like this video, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.